Dirt Road Cowboys. It's the country life. You can't mess with it, homie. I stay strapped, got the 308 on me. At all times, one bullet I don't miss. And if you dodge a lead, then I'ma get you with my fist. We're country boys, we don't mess with city slickers. Stick tight to my homies, fuck you other niggas. Country life, yeah, born and bred. And I'ma keep being country till the day I'm dead. Midnight, yeah, that's right. I got the deer dead center off the beam of the spotlight. I hit a dirt road sideways slanging. Play a little Hank and with country boys twanging. I'm gonna take your city slickers down to a mud hole. You can't swim, buddy, you don't wanna go. Us hick boys, we drink good, we ride tough. Down to 30 pack, nah, I ain't had enough. Living in the country, stuck Monday through Sunday. We don't mess with the city, we're doing it up right the hick life. We're living in the country, stuck Monday through Sunday. We don't mess with the city, doing it up right the hick life.
Hold up, get on that shine one time. Don't be sipping while you bitchin', take a snort and just some wine. I got your girl, yeah, she in good hands. She fine too, she thick, and an Alabama fan. It ain't me, no, it's my twang that attract. Don't be acting whack, them country girls don't like that. I'm about to teach y'all a little something about them Bama boys. Riding around every day in the muddy toys. Bama boys don't mess around. I give the cops a middle finger as I'm riding through town. Don't play, you know we too turned up for y'all. Wanna know where the party is, give me your call. Bonfire burning, in case you get cold. Down by the mines, take a left on Tide Road. Come on down till you see the lights. Got the kick on tap, you know we turning up all night. You can't stop it, just sit back and ride. Take a sip of some shine, relax and ease your mind. You hang with us and you know you about to turn up. Look in the back, I got the 30 pack, iced up. Just holler at your boy, and when I fly by, I ain't stopping for no bitch unless you wanna ride. We ain't no city boys, we on that southern shit. I got the fireball, you know we about to get lit.
Cause we living in the country, stuck Monday through Sunday. We don't mess with the city, doing it up right the hick life. We living in the country, stuck Monday through Sunday. We don't mess with the city, doing it up right the hick life.
Now you just heard me and Petey Dog go ham. And we about to end this bitch with the monster jam. We drink our drink, we smoke our smoke. There ain't no stopping once my tread hits the dirt road. It's the country life, and don't you ever doubt it. You wanna ride with us, you better be about it. I got the 12 pack Bud Light cans. Come on down to this hick life, man.